Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope everyone is well. I'll start by saying thank you. You gave me so much love in the last video. I want to thank you sincerely for this. Thank you very much. Well, I hope the last video was quite helpful for you all. So today I'm with another part of it. Well, those who haven't seen yesterday's video yet, go and watch now, and those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe our channel now before we start the lesson and stay with us. Well, pay attention. In IELTS test, the examiner may ask you different questions and you have to answer them in your own way, as I got the idea from the opinions of other IELTS students. So I'm following a certain pattern which I would like to share with you. So watch carefully. Question number 1. Do you think you will remain friends with the people from your course in the future? Well, in my case, I'm gonna answer this question like this. Yes, of course, when I was in high school, I had many friends and we were very close. We spent most of our time in school coaching. All of our friends were very talented. During exams, we used to fight with each other to get the highest marks and worked hard to get the highest marks. One thing we all have in common is that none of us consider anyone as a friend. We treated each other as brothers and still do, and so I think they are not to be forgotten. But remember, you have to answer in your own way. And yes, if I have made any mistakes, then definitely comment so that I can prepare myself well and viewers also. Okay, now second question. In the second question, we can see the examiner can ask you about your favorite places. I'm gonna answer this question like this. Well, I have many favorite places, but I must mention one of them. Okay. One of my favorite places is Nilachal. Nilachal Tourist Center is located on the hill in Tigerpara at a height of about 2000 feet above the sea level. Just 5 kilometers from the city of Bandarban, the sky, mountains and clouds are beautiful in the blue sky and the natural beauty is unparalleled. Nilachal takes its full form both during the play of cloud rafts in the morning and sunset in the afternoon. The entire Bandarban city can be seen from Nilachal, and if the sky is clear, the distant Cox's Bazar sea beach beckons tourists. Clouds play close at hand during monsoons, autumns, and winters. Different natural beauty can be enjoyed from each place of Nilachal. As usual, I like to say that practice makes a man perfect, so practice more and more. After that, you will get a good result. So thanks everyone. If you like today's video, then share it with your friends and stay tuned by subscribing. Oh, wait. This is not the end. I will come up with a new topic in another rule later, which is very important. So don't miss out. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.